Today we're going to look at 2 quick methods for installing magnets in your woodworking projects for both bar magnets and small round magnets. Stick around. If you want to incorporate magnets into your woodworking projects, there's a couple great ways to do that. You can make yourself a rectangular template to route for bar magnets, or you can simply drill for round magnets. Now if you want to use these bar magnets, I think they're a little better looking, especially if you get them in a nice finish like a black color. Basically you just use a inlay bushing kit with a shop-made template and remove the little brass ring on your inlay kit so you just have the bare minimum diameter on the bushing, as well as a 1/8 inch spiral bit on your router. And you can use that to quickly just zip out the recesses wherever you need them, and then just use a quick setting 2-part epoxy. I found one from Gorilla Glue that actually is a black epoxy, and that made a lot of sense to me to use with these black colored magnets. That way if you get a little squeeze out, it's no big deal, it blends in pretty nicely. If you've carefully set your router bit depth, you'll notice that when you push the magnet into position, it sits just below the surface of the wood. That's a nice touch. The other method is just to head over to the drill press and drill shallow holes for round magnets. These are 10mm magnets, and you can use the same type of epoxy to set these magnets. Now it doesn't take much epoxy, so you want to go a little bit easy on that to avoid much squeeze out. But it's nice that it's fast setting epoxy. It only takes about 10 minutes to cure in this case. Alright guys, there we go. 2 easy methods for installing different styles of magnets into your woodworking projects. Hopefully it's been helpful. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more free content. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.